What if a classic 1970 Chevrolet Nova had the heart of a modern supercar? This $130,000 LS3 powered Restomod is about to blow your mind. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at one of the cleanest and most impressive American muscle car builds you'll ever see, a breathtaking 1970 Chevrolet Nova Restomod. At first glance, it looks like an immaculate classic Nova, but underneath that timeless body is a completely modern performance machine designed to dominate the road. Valued at $130,000, this isn't just another restored muscle car. It's a handcrafted masterpiece that perfectly blends vintage styling with modern engineering. Finished in an incredibly deep jet black exterior paint, this Nova immediately commands attention. The glossy finish highlights every body line, giving the car an aggressive yet elegant appearance. The iconic SS badging reminds everyone that this machine carries the legendary muscle car heritage that made the Nova famous during the golden era of American performance. Every inch of the body has been carefully restored, while the shaved firewall creates an exceptionally clean engine bay that showcases the craftsmanship behind this build. Even the trunk has been professionally finished, proving that no detail was overlooked, but the real excitement begins the moment you lift the hood. Sitting proudly beneath it is the legendary GM LS3 6.2-liter V8 engine. This modern Chevrolet power plant has become one of the most respected V8 engines in the performance world thanks to its incredible reliability, smooth operation, and explosive power. The LS3 transforms this classic Nova into a true modern muscle machine capable of delivering thrilling acceleration every time you press the throttle. Backing the LS3 is the durable GM 4L80E 4-speed automatic transmission, a transmission known for handling serious horsepower while providing smooth and dependable shifts. Whether cruising comfortably on the highway or launching hard from a stoplight, this drivetrain is built to perform with confidence. Power is transferred to a rugged 12-bolt rear end equipped with Posi traction and a 3.73:1 gear ratio, delivering exceptional traction and strong acceleration. Every launch feels planted, allowing both rear tires to put the power to the pavement efficiently. Keeping temperatures under control is a large aluminum radiator, ensuring this high-performance V8 stays cool even during spirited driving. Stainless steel headers feed into a premium Pypes stainless crossover dual exhaust system, producing the unmistakable deep American V8 soundtrack. Every startup, every rev, and every acceleration reminds you that this Nova was built to be driven, not simply admired. Handling has received just as much attention as horsepower. The upgraded suspension includes tubular upper and lower control arms, an upgraded crossmember, plus both front and rear sway bars. Together, these improvements dramatically increase stability, steering response, and overall driving confidence. Unlike the original 1970 suspension, this Restomod feels modern while preserving the unmistakable personality that made the Nova legendary. Stopping power comes from an impressive Baer four-wheel power disc brake system with drilled and slotted rotors. This braking package provides outstanding confidence whether you're cruising through town or enjoying spirited backroad driving. Completing the aggressive stance are stunning 30/30 AutoSport 18-inch wheels, wrapped in 215/45 R18 tires up front and wider 255/45 R18 tires in the rear. The larger rear tires give the Nova a muscular stance while improving grip, perfectly complementing the car's modern performance capabilities. Slide inside and the transformation continues. The cabin maintains the timeless appearance of a factory Nova while incorporating carefully selected modern upgrades. Brand new stock-style black vinyl upholstery covers the comfortable front bucket seats and rear bench, preserving the classic look enthusiasts love. A center console adds convenience, while the staple shifter provides a sporty driving experience. Directly ahead sits a beautiful set of Dakota Digital gauges, combining classic styling with modern accuracy and reliability. These digital instruments deliver all the critical vehicle information while fitting seamlessly into the vintage dashboard. Comfort hasn't been forgotten either. A vintage air conditioning system keeps the cabin cool even during the hottest summer cruises, making this Nova enjoyable year-round. Tilt steering improves driving comfort, while the upgraded radio delivers modern entertainment without sacrificing the car's classic atmosphere. Looking underneath the vehicle reveals the same level of dedication. The underside has been professionally painted black for a clean presentation, while the stainless dual exhaust system runs neatly beneath the chassis. Every component reflects the meticulous craftsmanship invested throughout this build. What truly separates this 1970 Chevrolet Nova Restomod from many others is its remarkable balance. It preserves the timeless appearance of one of Chevrolet's most iconic muscle cars while delivering the reliability, comfort, braking, handling, and performance expected from a modern sports car. It's a vehicle you can confidently take on long road trips, weekend cruises, local car shows, or spirited drives through winding back roads. It offers the best of both worlds, classic American muscle styling paired with modern engineering that makes every mile more enjoyable. At $130,000, this Nova represents countless hours of expert craftsmanship, premium components, and exceptional attention to detail. From its powerful LS3 V8 and dependable 4L80E transmission to its upgraded suspension, Baer brakes, Dakota Digital instrumentation, vintage air climate control, and flawless jet black finish, every aspect has been designed to create one unforgettable driving experience. This isn't simply a restored classic. This is a fully realized Restomod that honors Chevrolet's muscle car legacy while embracing today's technology. It's the kind of car that turns heads wherever it goes, starts conversations at every gas station, and leaves a lasting impression long after the engine shuts off. If this incredible 1970 Chevrolet Nova Restomod deserves a spot in your dream garage, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more extraordinary classic muscle cars, rare Restomods, and automotive masterpieces. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next ride.